Glad to see you again in our English lesson with me, Mr. Komang Budiarnya. Everybody, now I'm standing in the middle of Times Square in New York City. Here, look, there are many kinds of motion picture shown here on the screen. This belongs to advertisement. In our daily life, there are many kinds of advertisement. One of them is an event advertisement. Sahabat Rumah Belajar, what is an event advertisement? Stay tuned here in Rumah Belajar. In our life, there are many kinds of advertisement, such as product advertisement, service advertisement, job vacancies advertisement, and event advertisement. Mainly, all advertisement is to sell a product or to promote something, while an event advertisement is a text that has the objective to announce an event in order to make the people attract, attend, or join the activities of the events. Event advertisement mainly talks about competition, fairs, bazaar, festival, concert, seminar, or workshop activities. Structures of event advertisement are name of the events, event organizers or sponsor, explanation of the event in a brief, the speaker, the guest, etc. Event location, the dates and the time of the event, phone numbers or contact information for public question. The language element of event advertisement are persuasive. It attracts public to join the event being advertised. Word choice or diction must be clear to inform the event. It must be attractive, polite, and have a good suggestion. Colorful. Appearance of event advertisement usually colorful. Why? Because colors make the advertisement more effective as it grabs the attention of the reader and has a better response. Sahabat Rumah Belajar, today we have learned about event advertisement. I hope you all understand the explanation of event advertisement. I think that's enough for our lesson today. See you next session in Rumah Belajar with me, Mr. Komang Budiarnya. Bye.